Hey you guys, I'm back. As I promised, today I'm making frying fish in my favorite pot here. I just touched my oil and it's hot. I got some of these biscuits in the oven. So now I got my seasoning on my fish. And so I'm gonna season this, guys. And this is Louisiana fish fry. Now, I thought I had some Andes. That's my favorite brand, is Andes. I look high and low, you guys, and I didn't see it unless someone put it in my son rather, put it in a different pantry, but I couldn't find it. So, I did have this. I'm glad. Back up. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this in. This is catfish nuggets. I had this I bought this at Kroger's probably 2 weeks ago. I just bought a half a pound, and I'm cooking it now and trying to season it real well. Now this is the only thing that I put on my fish because it's pre-seasoned. Okay, and just make sure you just go through all the fish. Make sure it's covered up really good. Binks is asleep, but I know once I start frying this, guys, she gonna get up. So I'm finna go in here and drop one little one in here, maybe that one. Let me see. Like a little small one. How about this one? I'm gonna drop this one in the oil. It's been raining off and on all day. Jerry. Make it boring. Your vacation boring. Okay, let me drop this in here and see, is it ready, you guys? Yep, it's good to go. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna come back when it's almost done and floating. Hold on, you guys. I told you guys this girl was gonna get up. So she smelled that stuff cooking. Tried to scratch the wall. What is it, Binks? I don't know. Y'all see that? Like orbs. Oh, you see that? Y'all see that? Oh my gosh. What is that? Okay, you guys. The fish is done. Golden brown. I'm finna take them off this hot grease. And what I'm waiting now is for my little cheddar biscuits to get done. And I can put the butter in there. I have my butter already in the microwave. And the little herb package here. I only cooked me 2 biscuits. And this is what I'm going to have with it, you guys. I got this. This is a pineapple here. This salad here. Let me turn this around for you guys. Let me lift it up. Like a little pasta salad. I've always wanted to try this, and I gotta hurry up and eat it by the 3rd. I got this, I believe it was 3rd. What's today? Thursday. No, today is Friday. I got this Tuesday. So I'm gonna have to eat this before it go bad, you guys. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, finished product. Here's the cheddar biscuit. It tastes just like Red Lobster. You can taste everything. I put the garlic butter on there. And some fish, hot sauce, and I had no tartar sauce. Every time I buy it, I don't use it fast enough and it'll go bad. So I'm gonna get my salad. I'm not gonna get to eating. And I thank you for watching. Bye bye now.